Let me show you how to grow Instagram theme pages and to go viral. Good day beautiful people, my name is Ron Smith and welcome to this video. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I have grown multiple theme pages from scratch to over 100,000 followers. If you clicked on this video, you probably already know about the power of theme pages and how you can leverage them to make money and get brand deals. If you don't, check my video on how to make money on Instagram selling. You can click on the card above or you can check the link in my description. So let's start. Grab your phone and follow these steps as I share them with you. So my first tip is to make sure your page is ready for success and optimized to grow in your specific niche. Let's start with your profile. Your page username and name should ideally not contain any full stops or underscores. You want to keep it as short and clean as possible. It also helps if you can have the niche as a part of the username if possible. Now, as for your profile picture, I recommend keeping it as clean and simple as possible, either having an element as your profile picture or a simple word logo. You can design one on canva.com. It's a very free website. You can create basic elements, basic word logo designs. Check it out. You need a clean profile picture. Okay, now we need to optimize the bio section. So I love using emojis as it keeps the page interesting. So use an emoji in the start and end of each line and include maybe 3 or 4 lines about the page. Also try to incorporate a hashtag or 2 in your bio. That will help Instagram understand what your page is about. And remember to end your bio off with a call to action line telling the people to follow you, as that will increase your visitor to follow ratio. Underneath the bio, I recommend adding 3 to 5 story posts with a highlight cover, which is the same design more or less as your profile picture. It'll just create a uniformity across your page. Now let's get into the juice. The next step to growing a massive and active audience is the content that you post. Let's find out what works. Select 9 highly relative accounts from your niche, and they have to have a very high engagement rate. I recommend above 7%. To find relative accounts, you can go to your niche hashtags and check who's dominating the top 9. Don't forget to also check who those accounts are following and who Instagram is showing under their suggested for you section. For calculating the engagement rate, I use influencermarketinghub.com. I'll put the link in the description. Now I will give you some secrets to find content that is going to go viral. We need to keep in mind that the post needs to be thought-provoking, memorable, or highly shareable. And since content that is proven to be viral can go viral again, we want to use this to our advantage. But we also want to find fresh content directly from the creators itself that is less than a few weeks old. So let me show you how to find these creators that can potentially make your page go viral and explode. Firstly, go to a theme page in a similar niche to yours and scroll through his last few posts to see which of his posts outperform the rest. You know, I'm talking about averages. One has 100,000 views and the other ones maybe have 20 to 30,000 views. And you know, the 100,000 views one outperform the rest. So that's the post you choose. Then in the caption of that post, there should be a credit tag linking to the creator of that content. If you can't find that, simply go to another theme page or next post. A lot of the time, some of these theme pages, they don't credit all the creators, or they don't have the credits for those creators. So just keep looking. But if there is, then click on that credit tag. It's going to take you to the creators page, and then on that creators page, look for posts that performed above average. Now in the beginning, this might seem time consuming, but it really isn't. It takes me about 10 to 15 minutes a day to repost on various of my theme pages. So after you have found a few of those creators, give them a follow and go to one of their posts and turn on the post notification. You know, that way the next time they post, you are immediately notified. You don't need to go through the whole process again. That's why it allows me to do it within 10 to 15 minutes a day. So just turn on post notifications for a few of those creators, and you're going to be having a good list of potential content that goes viral on a daily to weekly basis. Now we need to download those posts. You can do it either on your phone or on a PC. I recommend doing it on your computer. I use the free Chrome extension called Downloaded for Instagram. I'll put the link in the description. I also use the app called Repost on the App or Play Store if you're on your mobile device. I've also created a video on how to post to Instagram directly from your computer if you want to do everything on your computer. So if you want to check that out, check out the link in my description as well. The next step is very important. We need to delete the image or video data as Instagram records the image and video data after a post is uploaded. So this step is necessary if you don't want Instagram to limit your post reach. You can do so by re-rendering the video and resaving the image in Paint. This will delete previous data of the image or video and make the Instagram algorithm think that the post is your own. Now we need to caption the post. Here are some more tips. So a good Instagram caption is one that provides context, adds personality, and inspires your followers to take action. Follow this success format. So you want to start your caption off with a question to get your audience to engage on your post and answer the question in the comment section, thus increasing your engagement rate. After the question, add some emojis, once again makes it fun, and ask the person to tag someone that can relate to the content or that will also enjoy the content. This will increase your chances of creating a snowball effect. After that, add a call to action in the caption, encouraging the viewer to become a follower. Tell him to follow your page if he is a real fisherman or if he is a real car enthusiast or whatever. This will actually increase the amount of followers your post gets by over 10%. Now let's say you usually get about 100 followers per post, you're going to be getting 10 extra per post. I mean, if you're posting 10 posts a week, that is 100 followers extra every week. Then we want to add some space just to make the caption less messy, make it look cleaner, and we want to add the credit tag underneath, obviously to the original copyright owner of the content. Add more space. And now it is time for one of my big secrets, the hashtag section. If you want to reach as much people as possible, you need to use hashtags with the right popularity for your account. This is highly important whenever you are trying to go viral. So don't be lazy and just use those one big, huge keyword hashtags like love or hashtag cars or hashtag fishing. We need to dig deeper. You need to narrow it down to what your page and that specific post is all about. Here is a cheat sheet based on account and hashtag size. I'll put the link in the description as well, as it might get boring listening to this. You can skip ahead or check the link in the description. If your account has between 0 and 2,500 followers, you need to use 21 hashtags out of the 30 with a post count between 5,000 and 250k posts in each of those hashtags, each of those 21 hashtags. Then with another 6 hashtags needs to be between 250k posts and 500k posts. And 3 more needs to be between 500k and 1 million posts. I hope that made sense. Now, if you have an account between 2,500 followers and 15k followers, you need to use 15 hashtags with a total post count between 5k and 250k. Then you need to use 9 more between 250k and 500k, and 6 hashtags with a total post count between 500k and 1 mil. Now, if your account has between 15k followers and 50k followers, you need to use 7 hashtags with a total post count between 5k and 250k. You need to use 12 hashtags with a total post count between 250k and 500k, 6 hashtags with a total post count between 500k and 1 mil, and then lastly 5 hashtags with a total post count between 1 mil and 10 mil. We're not done yet, but if that was a juicy tip, pop a like please. Another little shortcut for you guys, you can use the site besthashtags.com. I'll put the link in the description once again. And on this website, it generates hashtags in almost any niche, actually in any niche, and it also shows you the post counts. So it just makes that cheat sheet work like a dream, and it makes it easy. That's why it only takes me 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the last tip, guys, very, very important. We need to prepare the Instagram algorithm for our post to come. So we need to do this 30 minutes to 2 hours before we post. We need to engage with various pages in our niche. So go to the hashtags, the top hashtags, which are really relevant to your niche, and engage with the top 9 posts. You can leave a like, you can comment, and save at least 6 out of that 9 posts. Also, with 6 viral accounts in your niche, simply also liking, commenting, and saving at least 2 of their recent posts. This will help Instagram understand who needs to see your posts and start building traffic to your profile and posts. You can increase the boosting effect by doing the same steps again 30 minutes to 2 hours after you post it. Thanks for consuming my content. If this helped at all, please do me a favor and pop a like to the video and subscribe if you want to see more secret tips. Let me know down below which of these secrets you already knew, and if there's something you guys want me to create a video on, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to get in contact with you guys. Until next time, peace out.